All right. So these three vessels enter here. What is this flap called? That's the right
auricle.
This chamber is called the what? Right
Atrium.
The muscles lining the atrium are called what kind of muscle?
Pectinate.
Muscle. I see an opening here. That opening is the opening for the coronary sinus, and I see a dimple back here, which is what is called the what? Fossa ovalis. That's going to contract, and it's going to go into this part of the heart here. It's going to go through this valve. What valve is this right here? This is the tricuspid valve. The heartstrings are called what? Chordae tendineae. The muscles that are attached to the valve is called a what kind of muscle? Papillary muscle. And this muscle that you see that's kind of worm-like lining the ventricles, these are called what kind of muscle? Trabeculae carneae. What chamber of the heart am I here? The right ventricle. Good. I see a wall right here. It's going between the two ventricles. What do you think this wall of muscle tissue is called? It's called the interventricular septum. Forgot to name that, but that's pretty obvious. The point of the heart, what is this called? This is the apex. Good. From the right ventricle, this is going to contract, and it's going to go through this valve right here, which is called the pulmonary semilunar valve. From there, it's going to go through this structure, which is called the pulmonary what? Trunk. Divides to left and right pulmonary what? Arteries, and they get smaller, they become pulmonary arterioles. They're going to go to the lungs, and then they're going to come back with oxygen. They're going to enter the heart through these things right here, which are called what? Pulmonary veins. Lift this up. Now, it's going to go into this chamber of the heart, which is called the left what? Left atrium. And it's going to go through this valve on this side of the heart. What is the valve called on this side of the heart? Bicuspid valve. The little strings are the chordae tendineae. What's this muscle that I'm pointing to right here that's attached to the valve? That's what kind of muscle? That's a papillary muscle here. This contracts. It's going to go through this valve right here, leading to the aorta. What is the name of this valve? That's the aortic semilunar valve. It's going to go up this part of the aorta, which is called the ascending aorta. What is this part of the aorta called? Arch of the aorta. What part is this called? Descending aorta. That is everything you need to know about the heart so far. Any questions? That's it, ladies and gentlemen.